How to stop Instagram suggesting your account to other people. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search Instagram.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on your profile on the left side. After you've clicked on your profile on the left side, your profile will pop up. In here at the top, click on Edit Profile. After you've clicked on Edit Profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Show Account Suggestions and Profile. Simply click on the button and turn it off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. Then press on Submit at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to stop Instagram suggesting your account to other people. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Call, question, or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.